Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, we are going to discuss about an error which is related to Kotlin programming language. I am working with the Kotlin project. When I run my application, I got an error. First, I will show my code. Fun main println hello world val subscribers is equal to 500. Then I reassign subscribers is equal to 600. Now let us run this Kotlin program. When we run this Kotlin program, first this line will be executed, then this line and this line. Okay, let me click on run main.kt. Kotlin connecting to daemon. Yes, look at here, build output terminal, hello world, build failed, with one error, main.kt, Kotlin val cannot be reassigned 5. 5 will be the line at which our error is occurred. C users administrator idea projects hello world src main.kt Kotlin val cannot be reassigned. Yes, when we declare the subscribers variable, we consider it as a val variable. Val means read-only variable. It is final, read-only. We can reference that variable, but we cannot reassign it. It is final, read-only reference variable. Because when we declare this subscribers variable, we gave this val subscribers is equal to 500. Then in the next line, in the fifth line, we reassign this subscribers variable. It is not possible. If we give the variable as val and reassigning it again, we generate this error. Kotlin val cannot be reassigned. So solution will be, instead of val, we have to give var. If it is var, we can reassign. It is not final, it is not read-only, it is not only for reference. We can reassign it. So, if you get the same error again in your Kotlin project like this, please try to understand this concept. So, we fixed the issue. Kotlin val cannot be reassigned with the var type variable, which is allowed to reassign. I have a request for you. If this video is helpful for you, please consider to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing my channel, you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this, which may help you or others in the future. I hope this error, Kotlin val cannot be reassigned, is understandable for all of you. Thank you.